Okay.
I didn't get Christmas today. I changed my shirt.
Pikachu and Angry Bird.
Pass
Swag.
Apostle swag. Woo! Yeah. The scorpion.
Oh.
This is a Steve sound. Oh, wow, 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 wow.
This is a potato sound. You're not a potato. You can't do it because you're not a potato. That's the reason why you couldn't do it.
Explains everything.
Dimples.
I know how to make dimples. Or how to give yourself dimples.
What?
Nope. Take 2 soda caps and put it in your mouth right here or push your chicken. If I had a soda bottle cover, I would show you. I know where there's a soda bottle cover. Hannah.
Today was an amazing day. Boat test way.
We need a tuxedo now.
I don't have a tuxedo.
We need a tuxedo.
Sam.
So we can sing oath and be like, I'm a tuxedo and you're my bow tie. That'd be amazing. Oh wow.
It's awkward.
Out!
Because there's so much stuff that I need to tell you right now.
Okay, guys, can you guys get out so that she can tell me?
I'm fighting you. No.
Hannah, go. You guys need to go so she can tell me.
Please. I'm going.
Reset the curtain, Hannah. Just. I don't care if it's gonna soundproof it. Get out!
That was mean, wasn't it? You should stop it. That